Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to update your iPhone. So as for the 5th of September 2025, we do have still iOS 18 released without iOS 26. We do have only iOS 26 beta, but the process on the iOS 18 and 26 is identically the same. So at first we need to go to settings, and here we have to scroll down to the general. Here in the general, tap software update, and now it doesn't really matter if you have iOS 26 developer beta, public beta, normal iOS 26 or iOS 18. Here you'll have your update. You can find here update. To update your phone, tap update now. Here you have to enter your passcode, and what have you do then? Just leave your phone, for example, for 10, 20, 30 minutes, up to 30 minutes alone, and I do recommend to leave it in the charger, not touching this phone, and your phone will automatically be restarted and rebooted and updated. I won't show this process because I don't want to update my phone actually, but yes, that's how you do it. Goodbye!